what's up, Ballroom dancers? Alexey is here, and welcome to another episode of Ballroom with Alexey. As you probably already figured out, today and to the rest of the April, we are going to do JIVE tutorials. So, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. And without any further ado, let's just break down our first movement, and it's going to be basic movement in JIVE. Let's do it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so let's start by dancing our chasse part of a basic step first, without rock step, to my count, slowly. And I guess I'm going to hold this microphone through entire the tutorial because my other microphone, this one, is just got broken, so I need to throw it away. So we can do what we can do. Let's do it. What we can do. Let's do the basic step. The chasse. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so now let's talk about our feet first. So make sure that you are making compact steps, right? So make sure that you're not doing big steps. Music is pretty fast, so we have to be on time, so we cannot make big steps. So keep your steps no wider than your shoulders, yes? So always keep everything like in the shoulder, approximately in the shoulder lengths, right? So then every time you're doing step, yes, press on the inside edge of your ball. Inside, right? Not just entire ball, but inside edge, right? Inside, 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 inside. So it first of all helps to keep your knees more closed, right? So instead of opening your knees and dancing with the open knees, you try to pay attention to keep your knees closed by pressing your weight on the inside edge of your ball. 1, 2, 1, 2. Awesome. So now our knees action, right? Knees and hips, they are very connected. So I have very important exercise for you guys, which is basically just marching. And it's a basic step of a merengue. So that's how it looks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So believe me or not, but in this exercise, hidden entire jive and East Coast swing chasse action, right? And not only chasse, you'll see that we use the same action in our rock step. So basically, if you will master this marching, your jive will definitely improve. Yes, will improve. So you will definitely feel the changes. So now, let's talk a little bit about this action. So first of all, transferring of your weight. That's very like tricky here. So look at this. When you pressing on your ball, right? Your knees bend. You bending your knee. So you transferring your weight into the bent knee, right? So look, I am transferring my weight into the knee while it's still bent. Now I'm going to straightening under my weight, right? So I need the resistance to straighten my knee. Then from here, as soon as I'm straightening my knee, I'm going to saddle my hip, right? And you see that pendulum action, right? So our hip goes to the side and it's determined the changing of direction. So now I'm going to press on my other foot. Yes, I'm pressing, I'm transferring my weight into the bent knee. I'm straightening my knee, and only after I straighten my knee, I'm gonna saddle my hip. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? So my hip saddles on the count and. So let's see how we can use it in our chasse. So basically, if we will just do double tap, so look, we go tap and tap, tap and tap, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And now we'll add a little step, step together. Yeah, so right here, transfer just a little bit of your weight into the left, and then transfer your weight on count, and we settle the hip. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So you see my knee is bent, I'm straightening my knee and settling my hip, right? That action. And step, settle. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and right. So hip action is basically pendulum action in your hips through the bending to straightening. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're doing that after we straighten our knee. So our knee goes straight, and then we settle hip. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and you see how I am changing my direction by settling the hip. I'm going this way, so if I will not settle my hip, I will continue move to my left. And now I'm changing my direction, I'm moving to my right. Bam. 1, papi, pawa, papa. Yay, 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 yay. So now let's do our rock step back. So now look, in the rock step, we're gonna do approximately same action, right? So look, I am making step back, and I'm first pressing on the bent knee. So I go 1, and hip goes on count, and. Now 2, I'm pressing on my soft knee, and settling my hip. And then I go with my triple step, and then I go with my triple step, and. So now one more time. Rock, so my hip still on my left. I'm pressing, I'm straightening my knee, and then goes hip on end, right? Make sure that you're not going too far back with your spine, so keep your spine a little bit more centered. Hip goes back, hip goes forward. Triple step and triple step and, right? So now let's do our rock step on the left side for the leader's part. And bend, straight, hip, bend, straight, hip, triple step and triple step and bend, straight, triple step and triple step and. So on count and, when I'm settling my hip, I'm collecting my free foot. Yes, 1, 2, rush. I notice a lot of times people just not collecting the feet, and it looks like this. So on the count and, when you settle in your hip, collect your feet a little closer, and you can lift your knee higher and create more like high knees action. And 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, right? So now let's do it everything together, right? Let's summarize everything, and let's do entire basic movement. So first of all, remember, keep your steps small, press on the inside edge of your ball, close your knees, and do the merengue action with your hip, right? So hip goes with the delay, kinda, all right? So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, triple step and collect your foot, triple step and rock, step and triple step and triple step and rock, step. Wow. Tatikata, tatikawa, paate, tatiata, tata, wam pam, pam pa pam, 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 wam pam pam, pam. I don't know why I did this. Anyway, now let's do it to music. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was helpful, please press like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you as usually next Thursday for my new Jive tutorial. Thank you very much and have fun dancing. Do-do-do, do-do-do, ah 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 ah, do-do-do, do-do-do, yeah.